define the word dog?
Well, yeah, dog is a man's best friend, but also like it's like what is that word called? When
Companion?
No, when animals are like made for like homes, like cats, dogs, not lions.
Domesticated?
Domesticated. You're a domesticated animal, like they're a wild animal, but I don't know, like part of like they're like people.
How would you define the word dog?
And my best friend.
Okay. How would you define the word dog?
Like an animal, like just an animal, like an animal with 4 legs that that has been living for a long time, that was wild, like a wild wolf that we domesticated.
Okay.
Man's best friend, woman's best friend.
All the best friends?
Yeah, everyone's best friend, I guess. Loyal.
How would you describe Cleo in 3 words?
Sassy. Beautiful. One more word. What's the word I'm thinking of? She's malicious.
Okay. How would you describe Cleo in 3 words?
Cleo is my best friend.
How would you describe Cleo?
She's a little sassy. She definitely knows that she's cute, and she gets a little rough sometimes. Not like aggressive, but like she just likes to play. You wanna come here? Yeah. Okay. Good girl, Cleo.
Oh, you good Cleo.
She's just a good girl.
How would you describe Tate in 3 words?
Oh. Sleepy. A little bit, I would say anyway, obnoxious. And really sweet.
How would you describe Tate?
Tate's like a little baby.
Tate is like, if Tate was a person, Tate would be like this super chill, always napping, always chilling. Like if you got them a present, it would be like Bubbles or something. Like I don't know. It's just Tate's very chill. She's definitely a scaredy cat, even though she's about to be freaking huge because she's a German Shepherd. But she's definitely a little baby still.
How do dogs make you feel?
I mean, they make people feel different things. But like me, let's see. They can make you feel like, dogs can be like your journal, you know what I'm saying? Like they can make you feel, like you can say anything to a dog. So like however you feel, like your dog like takes that in and like cares for you. So I feel like they would make me feel secure in a way, you know what I'm saying? Because like a dog's always there to talk to you. Listen, no diary, turn to a dog. Therapist, turn to a dog.
Yeah? What's your favorite
Preacher, turn to a dog.
thing? How do dogs make you feel?
Dogs make me feel good.
How do dogs make you feel?
Well, I love all animals, especially dogs and cats, because they're domesticated and they're around, obviously since they're domesticated, they're around a lot of people and a lot of human beings. So I just find them really cute. They have a little bit more personality than I think a lot of other animals do, like rabbits or birds or something like that. So you can get like closer to them and more bonded to animals like that. And